But the truth is far quieter, far more deliberate. True success does not arrive in a flash. It is built in the shadows, in the moments no one sees. It is constructed through discipline, patience, and consistency, not urgency, not speed, not excitement. It is the slow, steady work that creates lasting results. You must understand this before you can achieve anything worthwhile. Imagine a tree, a young sapling planted in fertile soil. It does not grow overnight. It does not stretch to the sky in a single day. Its roots push deep, invisible beneath the earth. Each day the wind tests its strength. Each night it drinks the quiet rain. To an onlooker, nothing seems to happen. Yet beneath the surface, life is taking shape. Its trunk thickens, its branches stretch, its roots anchor firmly. By the time anyone notices, the tree is strong enough to withstand storms. Success is like that tree. The work you do when no one is watching, the habits you build in silence, are what prepare you for the storms of life. Opportunities will come, but preparation determines their value. One day, a door will open. It may appear at random. It may even look small or ordinary, but only the person who has prepared, who has cultivated knowledge, skill, and discipline, can step through it. Ask yourself, are you prepared, or are you waiting for luck to strike? Life favors those who prepare quietly, steadily, and without fanfare. The law is simple. Opportunity meets preparation, and success is born. Miss the preparation, and the opportunity becomes a lesson rather than a triumph. This is the invisible rule behind every great achievement. Pressure is inevitable. Life tests you, challenges you, and forces your weaknesses into the open. Under pressure, patterns reveal themselves. Watch closely how people respond to strain. One person folds, retreats, and abandons their plans. Another leans in, analyzes the situation, and takes measured action. Consider the entrepreneur facing repeated setbacks. At first, the market resists. The first few months bring losses, but a disciplined individual studies each mistake, adjusts strategies, and continues. Eventually, what once seemed impossible becomes achievable. Or imagine the athlete training for a competition. Injuries, fatigue, and doubt test their resolve daily. Yet, those who persevere, who maintain focus under stress, become champions. Pressure does not create success, but it does expose the habits and patterns that lead to it. Focus is more precious than any currency. Distraction is everywhere. Every notification, every impulse, every temptation pulls at your attention. Ask yourself, what are you protecting? Your focus determines your outcomes. Guard it as you would a treasure. Not everything deserves your energy. Not every voice, every opportunity, every trend aligns with your goals. Financial discipline, patience, and success all require focus. Without it, effort is wasted. With it, even small actions compound into powerful results. Focus is not a passive state. It is an active choice you make repeatedly, every day. Growth follows a sequence. You learn, you apply, you evaluate, you correct, you persist. This sequence is not theoretical. It is practical. Learning without application is wasted knowledge. Application without evaluation is blind effort. Evaluation without correction is stubbornness. And correction without persistence is fleeting. One day, this sequence becomes instinct. You move forward with intention, guided by experience and sharpened by discipline. The process is slow, deliberate, and often invisible to others, yet it is unstoppable. Motivation alone is fleeting. It rises like the sun and sets by the evening. Systems endure, habits endure. Discipline carries you when motivation fails. Ask yourself, are you relying on inspiration, or have you built structures to sustain your progress? Discipline overcomes mood. Discipline creates continuity. A single decision made every day, small, deliberate, intentional, outperforms grand gestures made sporadically. Financial discipline, in particular, demands systems, a budget, a plan, a consistent saving habit. These structures protect you when the moment feels inconvenient. Systems are the scaffolding of success. Motivation only illuminates the path temporarily. Discipline builds the road. Patience is strategic. True success grows in seasons, not hours. Seeds planted today may take years to bear fruit. Investments in knowledge, skill, and money compound slowly, quietly. Ask yourself, can you endure the invisible work? Can you resist the temptation to seek immediate gratification? Patience does not mean inaction. It means calculated action over time. It is the understanding that progress is layered, not instant. It is the art of knowing that every small, consistent step brings you closer to your goals. Seasons change. Your patience allows you to align with their rhythm, to harvest when the time is right. The rhythm of life rewards preparation. Each morning you have a choice to act deliberately or react impulsively, to study, plan, and apply, or to drift along hope and chance. Ask yourself, how will you spend your energy today? The invisible work is not glamorous, but it is transformative. One day the habits you cultivate in silence will be visible to everyone. One day the discipline you practice now will become the freedom you desire. Success is not in flashy victories. It is in the accumulation of small, deliberate actions over time. Ask yourself another question. Do you protect your focus? Distractions are not neutral. They steal from your future. Social pressures, the endless noise of media, the lure of convenience, they chip away at your ability to progress. But focus, carefully maintained, is power. Guard it as you would a sacred possession. Say no to what does not serve your growth. Say yes to the work that matters. One day you will look back and realize that your capacity to focus was more valuable than any single decision you made. Focus allows discipline to compound. Focus allows patience to endure. Focus allows momentum to flourish. Growth requires a sequence, a method, a plan. Learn, apply, evaluate, correct, persist. This is not theory, it is law. Learning without action is wasted energy. Action without review is blind. Review without correction is stubbornness. Correction without persistence is futile. When applied consistently, this sequence becomes a rhythm. Your life moves forward naturally, steadily, inevitably. One day, the small actions taken daily transform into mastery. Ask yourself, do you follow the sequence or do you skip steps? True success rewards the methodical, not the hurried. Motivation is fleeting. It is a spark, not a furnace. Discipline is the furnace. Ask yourself, do you rely on how you feel or on what you do? Habits, routines, and systems ensure progress regardless of mood. Financial discipline in particular requires structure, saving, budgeting, investing. They do not work when left to chance or emotion. The disciplined person acts according to principle, not impulse. One day these actions accumulate into significant advantage. Motivation inspires, but discipline achieves. Patience is strategic. You plant seeds, not trees, overnight. Time does not rush, and neither should you. Ask yourself, can you endure invisible work? Can you invest in your growth today for rewards months or years from now? Seasons of effort precede harvest. Financial discipline compounds over time. Knowledge accumulates, skills mature. Patience allows you to ride the natural rhythm of life rather than fight it. One day you will reap the benefits of consistent action over time. Feedback is the compass for progress. Measure, adjust, improve. Without feedback, effort is directionless. One day you will see that every challenge was an opportunity for insight. Every failure was a guidepost. Correct early, correct often. Measurement without correction is useless. Correction without persistence is wasted. Together, they form the twin pillars of improvement. Ask yourself, do you embrace feedback or do you resist it? Discipline listens. Patience applies. Momentum follows. Momentum compounds. Small actions today become larger tomorrow. Discipline builds the flywheel. Each effort adds weight. Each consistent choice increases speed. One day you will notice that the wheel turns almost effortlessly. Ask yourself, are you adding to the wheel today or idly hoping it moves? Compounding works quietly, invisibly. You may not see results immediately, but over time, the effect is undeniable. Momentum rewards the patient and disciplined. It punishes the distracted and impulsive. Breakthrough is not a single moment. It is a lifestyle, an identity. Emotional elevation comes from preparation, persistence, and reflection. One day you will act decisively because you are prepared. You will remain calm because you are disciplined. You will endure because you are patient. True success is the accumulation of small, intentional choices, repeated consistently over years. Ask yourself, are you living for fleeting highs, or are you building a life of sustained excellence?